This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone to receive text messages and stuff on your Tesla vehicle. And this is actually rather easy to do. So first, you probably want to get the message app here on the screen. So if someone does leave a message, you can easily respond. So you can just drag this down here. That's what I did. And then once you have it there, it's very easy. We want to set it up now. So you can see I have a message right here from my sister, and she was talking about some message thread that we were talking about, a video on TikTok or something. But it's very easy to respond once you have this set up with Bluetooth. Just go to Controls, Bluetooth, and add your phone in here. So search for nearby devices, go to your phone now, and put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So scroll on down from the top, and there should be an option for Bluetooth in here somewhere. So let's go to Connected Devices, Pair New Device, and you should be able to find your phone in the Tesla list here. So I can see my Timbot Moto phone. I can just go to Connect. And once you have your phone connected, you should be able to get your text messages in here. Just go to Pair now. And then it should be paired. There might be one or two more permissions that pop up. But if you have multiple phones, only one phone can be like your priority phone. So you can see sync messages. You might want to turn this on too. Due to the limitations of Bluetooth, some of the group chats will just come in one by one, which is annoying. So you can make it your priority device or not. So I'm going to make this my priority device, my Pixel 7. So once you do that now, you can receive text messages. So if I go back here, it looks like it deleted the text message. So only when you get in your car, it's just going to save those messages that come in. It's not going to save previous messages that are on your phone or any kind of thread. So any new messages I'll see. And then once I get out of my vehicle, everything will delete again. Now you can respond to them by tapping this. And then there will be a reply option. So if someone does text me, otherwise we can just tap the voice icon on the screen. I believe if we just hold it down or just tap it, we should be able to respond to that message. So you can use that, or you can just tap the little voice icon on the screen when you get the message. So very easy to do once you have it connected. A lot of times I just tap this and then I'm like, hey, how are you doing, or something like that, or and then you send that message. So go ahead and just check that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.